Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable push notifications on Facebook using your PC. With the latest updates, staying connected has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings and Privacy to reveal additional options. From there, select Settings. You're on the right path. Now, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Notifications section. Click on it to explore your notification options. Once you're on the Notifications page, scroll down until you reach the Browser section. This is where you can manage your push notifications. Finally, simply enable push notifications by toggling the option on. This will ensure you receive updates, alerts, and all the latest happenings right on your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications on Facebook. Now you'll never miss out on important updates from your friends, groups, and events. Enjoy staying connected, and thanks for watching.